All right, so they agreed to let us make a pizza. So now you get to see what's in my brain.
What's in your brain?
Well, people kind of...
Don't want to go in there.
Welcome to What the FLX,
Hi.
episode 3.
Yeah, can you believe it? I feel like we're flying by.
It's only been 3.
I know, but
It's not too many. This time this is an interesting episode.
I know. I think you should take it away because this was your idea,
My creation.
yeah. I don't know what the word I'm looking for. You know what? Any episode, I have the word in my brain and it just never escapes
It's
me.
okay. We can put it in the comments.
Yeah,
or
it's
in
fine.
the
I'm
copy.
sure.
So a few months ago, Quinn and I had visited Birdseye Hollow Farm and Distillery. We had a Taj Mahal pizza, which was like their special pizza.
Oh yeah, I saw pictures of that.
Did not even know they had it, but
Yeah.
it was fabulous. So Craig's crazy brain. For about 8 years now, I've been making a pizza at home, and it's got some unique ingredients on it. Sat there thinking, like, what if it would be cool if we could get it on their menu? So instead of like me asking and getting permission, I sent Maddie and Quinn to ask for me.
Naturally.
So how'd it go?
Listen, it went really well. I think Gwen and I went in there and we were prepared to like have a whole spiel and like, really defend this idea because you've been talking about it a lot. And I'm like, we need to get this
Has
done
to
for him.
happen.
No, seriously.
Yeah.
So like Gwen and I went in there and we were like, hey, we've got this idea. We explained it. And he was like, yeah, let's do it. Heck yeah.
So they're really fun people to work with and stuff.
They were
and
really great.
They like us, so they let us give it a shot. So the only stipulation was it had to taste good. So that's very subjective.
Yeah.
Across the board to who likes what on their pizza.
That's fair.
But I will give you a little hint. The main ingredient,
Okay.
the
Tell 'em.
unique ingredient,
Let them know.
is grapes.
I know. I was thinking the same thing. I know everybody at home is like, what? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So everybody gets kind of scared. They're like, well, what's this going to taste like? That sounds like a weird ingredient. Has
Yeah.
other things on it. Has ham, Swiss cheese, blue cheese, and hot sauce.
Just get a little on there. Just a little. Give it some heat. Doesn't need a lot. You're probably wondering when I'm going to stop. but-
Yeah, I know. He's like, doesn't eat a lot. And I'm like, why is he still going?
Okay. So it's kind
When
of
he told me that combo, I was like, oh.
well, and it's very unique. Like blue cheese is a strong ingredient. So you have to like blue cheese. You either like it or
Yeah.
you don't. Hot sauce if you don't like spicy stuff.
You're
But
2 for 2. Yeah.
it's not that spicy. Once it's all put together and all the ingredients together, it balances well.
Yeah,
I think.
I agree.
So we went out to Birdseye Hollow and we made a pizza with them.
And then I'm
Cheers.
gonna taste it.
Here we go. You know what? You know what?
I like it. I like it actually.
Wait. That's kind of good.
That was kind of good.
Wait a minute.
I have no faith in me.
It's not too hot. The grapes are actually really good.
I know.
We were waiting for the approval, so we all sampled it, and the manager, Ryan, was happy enough to say, we'll put it on our menu.
Approved. Can you believe it?
We did it. So
We did it.
So
Finally.
they're going to have our pizza as a special available to all you to go out and try. And we expect you to go sample it. So order a couple.
Yeah. Get
And,
a couple of pizzas. Make it
yeah.
a night. Make it a
Yep.
fun night. Get some drinks. Their cocktails are really, really good.
Awesome cocktails, live music.
Yeah.
So highly recommended.
Yeah.
The name of the pizza, we named it The Grape Escape.
Isn't that great?
So
Isn't that grape?
Isn't it grape?
I'll see myself out. It's okay.
So well,
We did it, and it was good.
It was excellent.
It was.
He was impressed. Ryan was impressed.
Yeah.
What do you think, honest? Decent.
Very good.
Decent, yeah.
I was happy.
I was shocked. I didn't know
to
going into it.
expect.
Yeah, I was a little nervous because of the spice. I'm like, well, it wasn't too hot. But then I was like, I was nervous that the grape texture was gonna throw me off, but it was good.
Gotta have a little faith.
You're right.
So even though we had pizzas, we're always still hungry. So let's roll some lunchtime.
Yeah.
So even though we eat pizza, we went over to Timberstone Grill
In Hammond's
a little
Port.
while ago
Yeah.
and had a delicious lunch.
Really good.
Probably one of my favorite places.
Really?
Yeah, I really like them. I like the variety they have on their menu.
They do have a lot
And
of
it's
options.
the shrimp. The shrimp is my favorite. Spicy shrimp
It
appetizer.
was so, I know, I nibbled, when we had a
Chef's
team
kiss.
lunch, I nibbled on it and it was
Yeah.
so good.
You had like one because
I
there was
had
like
one.
10 of
Yeah,
us
because there
there.
were so many of us, so I guess that counts
Yeah,
as a nibble.
that does.
One
But
piece equals a nibble.
There's enough for a whole meal on that. I've had it before as a meal, but I got street tacos the other day.
Ooh.
Delicious. There was one with like a mango salsa on top. Really
Yeah.
good. Lots of jalapenos. So
Oh.
if you like spice, it's great, but they're just laying on top so you can take them off if you don't
perfect.
like spice. They're not
That's
mixed
probably my plan. That's good to know. I had naturally, I had a Caesar salad and it was so good.
Surprise.
So, who could have guessed?
Did you have chicken on it?
Yeah, I added chicken on it. And I've also been another time before this and I got their pulled pork sandwich and it was really good.
Good.
Yeah, you can't go wrong at Timberstone.
Yeah. And on that note, make sure to check out Timberstone Bar and Grill in Hammondsport, New York for a delicious lunch, dinner, or whenever you're hungry.
You name it.
All right, everyone, stay groovy.